did for our country. Can't allow them to be out here. We got to go help them. We got to scoop them up. We love you. You're not forgotten. We're not going to let this happen to you. We will stand for you. But it doesn't just end with veterans. It ends with all of us. We should all defend each other regardless of race, regardless of color, religion, or creed. Can we just love and respect each other the way God intended?
Yeah.
Why do we let it fall by the wayside through the cracks? Why do we let media and everybody control us to have this race war? Let's get out here. Let's show people the love that they deserve. Show people that we don't have to listen to the paradigm the media keeps shoving down our throats. We can come out here. We can affect positive change, not Barack Obama's change. The change for we the people united together as a force of freedom and love, truth, respect is what it boils down to. We got to stand for our veterans. We got to stand for each other.